Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook app session expired issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While using a Facebook application, if you encounter this kind of a notification where it says session expired, please log in again. Then, in this case, if the notification keeps appearing, click on the OK button and follow the instructions to enter your Facebook account name and password and log in back to your Facebook app. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to update your Facebook application. Make sure that the Facebook application you are using is up to date. Go to your mobile device's Play Store and search for Facebook into the search bar. If you see an update button right next to your app, it means you'll need to install the latest version of Facebook. Simply tap on the update button, and once you download the version, tap on Open to launch the app open and see if that fixed your issue. If it still does not work, then you can always try clearing your cache and data from your Facebook application. Press hold Facebook app from the app drawer and tap on App Info. From App Info page, tap Storage. Tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right hand corner and this will clear your cache data from your Facebook application. If clearing out your cache still does not work, you can always try logging into your Facebook account via a web browser. Sometimes there might be some issues temporarily with your Facebook application, so in that case, you can simply go open up your web browser, type in www.facebook.com and log into your Facebook account by entering your credentials for your Facebook account. Keep using your Facebook account from a mobile web browser until the problem is solved. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Facebook application since the session expired message keeps popping up on your display. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.